Namaskar. Many people have limited understanding of yoga, thinking that it is restricted to physical asana or exercise, where people twist, turn, stretch, and breathe. But it is not so. Yoga is derived from the word yuj, which means to add, sum up, or to connect. Yoga is a way to connect and to add the internal and external energies. When the things get connected, the flow of energy is enhanced and gets regularized. Energy is best in flowing mode, not in stagnant mode. Stagnancy brings negative emotions like hatred, anger, greed, desire, attachment, and many more, which leads to anxiety, depression, unhappiness, etc. The science of yoga imbibes itself a complete essence of way of life, including all the different parts of yoga, by which a person travels to one's inner self or divinity. These are Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga, and Raja Yoga. Karma Yoga. Active person finds it through Karma Marga, the selfless work, in which a person realizes one's own divinity through work and duty. Bhakti Yoga. Emotional person finds it through Bhakti Marga, where there is a realization through devotion. Jnana Yoga. Intellectual person pursues Jnana Marga, where realization comes through knowledge. Raja Yoga. King of yoga is a Raja Yoga. Person who conquered the mind is a Raja Yogi. Raja Yoga is a path of self-discipline and practice. Father of yoga, Maharshi Patanjali's teaching lies in eightfold path of yoga. That is Ashtanga Yoga. They are Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, and Samadhi. These eightfold path of yoga show the way to live a better life through yoga. Just have a quick look on yamas and niyamas. Yamas are the social and ethical discipline. The 5 yamas are ahimsa, satya, asteya, brahmacharya, aparigraha. Ahimsa, the non-violence, not to harm others by word or by action. Satya, truthfulness, truthfulness with an intention for the betterment of others. Asteya, non-stealing. Asteya demands that one must not steal nor have the intent to steal others' property through action, speech, and thoughts. Brahmacharya, abstinence by choice for self-realization, can also be understood as celibacy by choice for goal achievement. Aparigraha, accumulation of things out of greed which is not necessary. The root of these evils are the emotions of greed, desire, and attachment. Niyamas are the individual discipline. The 5 niyamas are Shaucha, Santosha, Tapas, Swadhyaya, Ishwar Pranidhana. Shaucha, cleanliness. Purity of body is essential for well-being. Beside purity of body, purity of mind, thought, and word is also necessary. Santosha, contentment. A mind that is not content can't concentrate. tapas, to burn all energy towards the achievement of goal. Swadhyaya, self-study, internalization to understand self. Ishwar Pranidhana, surrender to God, to lay all the actions at the feet of God. Thank you. We will continue with Ashtanga Yoga in the next video.